I will now introduce our moderator. She is the Executive Director of the Communication Foundation for Asia and the President of Cygnus Philippines. May I now call Mrs. Pai Fenomeno. Let us give her a big hand of applause.
Magandang, ano na ba ngayon? Hapon? Ha? Kamusta pa kayo dyan? Dito ako sa baba, kasi ayoko sa screen nyo ako nakikita. Gusto ko face-to-face yung engagement. Pasensya ka na, Dens, papahirapan kita. Sige, gusto ko magreklamo kay Father Ilde. Atras silang lahat to. Gusto magreklamo kay Father Ilde. Sinunod ako doon sa mga yon. Hindi naman ako influencer. Ang aking follower ay mas marami pa yung aking anak. In fact, I only have followers because I did not yet accept the friend request. No? So, I hope to give justice to this hour. Now, we have a happy problem. No? You are at least 300 here, and we only have less than an hour to do the workshop. So, please be kind and participate fully. Now, I'm going to shift the lens a little, no? Because while Cygnus and CFA believes that we are evangelizers, that we should pray, that we should experience God, that we should inspire people, after that, we believe, sige, atrasan kayo dyan. After that, we believe that it should result to action. Hindi pwedeng maiwan sa dasal ang ating pananampalataya. Kasi kung patuloy na may mahirap, kung patuloy na nasasalanta ang ating kalikasan, kung patuloy na ganito ang ating political system, I think we are not yet reaching that level of evangelization of the kingdom of God. Mayroon sila ditong meeting. Hello po. Okay. Now, asan na ba yun? Okay. Before we proceed with the workshop, I just like to put some context in our discussion. No? Bago natin pag-usapan ang sacred spaces, pag-usapan muna natin ano ba yung communication. Ano ba ibig sabihin nun? No? And these are the two objectives I wish we could achieve in this very short time. Now, ano ba yung communication sa'yo, Nigel?
Pass.
Pass. Okay. Call a friend. Sige. Social communicators to, Bishop, dapat may sagot. Sige. Ano ang communication para sa inyo? Tatago yung ID. Sige lang. Pass din. Pass din. Okay. Social communicators to, ha? Sige. Sino ang makakasagot? What is communication? Yes. What is? Vincent.
For me po, communication, it's a two-way process. It's receiving and sending.
Fantastic. Sinagot na niya. Communication needs to have an exchange. It cannot be, maraming pari dito, no? Mag-iingat ako sa akin sasabihin. Okay. It cannot be just one source speaking and the rest are sleeping. There is no communication happening there. It has to be an exchange. Even if you are the recipient, you still exchange by nodding your head. That means nag-usap tayo, by approving, by sending your thumbs up, etc. There has to be an exchange. Exchange of what? Ay, nauna siya sa akin. Exchange of what? Exchange of meaning. Kasi, when I say white flag, right now, what does white flag mean to you, Cristel?
White symbolizes death po sa akin.
Death sa'yo. How about dito? Mahirapan kayong lahat. White flag.
Surrender.
Surrender. You see, sometimes a word or a concept or a photo or an image means differently for different people. And when that happens, walang exchange of meaning. Hindi tayo nagkakaintindihan. Sino po mga may asawa dito? Iniwan nyo? Walang may asawa dito? Ha? Deny agad? Okay. Sometimes, the the quarrel between husband and wife is just a point of hindi nagkaintindihan. There was no exchange of meaning. My white is different from your white is different from your white. So, communication is an exchange of meaning to reach an understanding. Kung hindi tayo nagkaintindihan doon sa ibig sabihin, hindi tayo magkakaunawaan. At pag hindi tayo nagkaunawaan, may problema, communication did not happen. Okay? For communication to happen, again, there has to be an exchange of meaning where my meaning is the same as your meaning, is the same as his meaning, and then we understand each other. Okay tayo? Fantastic. Okay. Now, dahil meron ng teknolohiya, ito na ngayon ang communication natin. Napabilis ng teknolohiya. It's faster. Diba? Especially during the pandemic, we experienced that. It also democratized the communication space. 10 years ago, yung ating mga influencers ngayon, they will not have the chance to speak kasi kailangan pa nila magpunta sa network. Ngayon, it's democratized because you have platforms which allow you to share your content. Irregardless if you have a license or you have money, kung ikaw ay merong gustong sabihin, pwede mong sabihin. It connects. I think this is very obvious. And finally, ito yung gusto kong i-emphasize. With technology, communication is no longer one-to-many. Asan si Father Roy? Father Roy, di ba? ang broadcast, it's a one-to-many communication. I speak, all of you listen. But with social media, with technology, it's me speaking to you and you speaking to her and she speaking to her and you dozing off somewhere else. Katulad ngayon, nandito kayo pero pwedeng wala kayo dito dahil meron kayong kinakausap na iba sa inyong telepono. It's a many-to-many communication. Okay? Malinaw yan, ha? May question? May problema? Wala. Fantastic. Okay. Now, ito ngayon yung ating mga insights. Bibilisan ko lang ng konti. We cannot deny that we already have a digital world. Di ba? And because we have a digital world, mayroong spasyo yon. At sa spasyong yon, no, there are real people. Hindi siya, kahit na siya ay nagtatago sa isang, itong tawag nito, photo na hindi siya, mayroon tao sa likod yon, except pag bot yon. Diba nakita naman natin yung ating mga influencers, totoong tao. Ngayon, dahil ito ay spasyo kung saan may mga tao, ito ay public space. Hindi mo ito personal space. Okay? Ulitin ko. This is already a public space. And where you're in public, you are expected to behave in a certain way. Okay. Masyadong advanced ito. Okay. Okay. And then now, because this is a public space, di ba tayo ay citizens of our country, we are now digital citizens of this digital world, of this digital space. Now, in the 2017 conference on digital citizenship education that happened in Bangkok, sabi nila, may framework silang binigay to be a digital citizen. Sinabi nila, you have to have digital literacy, you have to have digital safety, and you have to have participation, and finally, emotional intelligence. Bago tayo mag-artificial intelligence, mag-emotional intelligence muna tayo. At itong dalawang ito ang gusto kong i-emphasize in the workshop. That you participate digitally because this is a public space and that you exercise emotional intelligence, not artificial intelligence. What does it mean? In a public space, mayroong society tayo yan. Mayroong estado. Or in our case, pwedeng yung authority, simbahan, eskwelahan, anything that is above the citizenry. And there is a small, hindi ko alam paano yung ano nito, yung arrow anyway. There is a small public space there kung saan sila ay nagtatagpo. Kung saan si authority at si citizen ay pwedeng mag-usap. Pero dahil ito ay meron na tayong teknolohiya, we are expected that the public space widens. Ibig sabihin, we encourage people, ordinary people, to participate in whatever, in a discourse, in interaction, in decision-making, in analysis. Hindi siya, ako ang magsasalita, makinig kayo at sumunod. Ngayon ay lahat tayo kasali. Lahat tayo involved. Lahat tayo may boses. Lahat tayo pinakikinggan. Okay? So far, still with me? Ha? Okay, good. Now, ang problema dito sa public space na to, mayroon tinatawag na thought-terminating cliche. Na-experience nyo yan one way or the other. No? Maririnig nyo yan o mababasa nyo yan. For instance, sabi, opinion mo lang yan. Opinion mo lang yan iba yung opinion ko. As if merong mas matimbang na opinion nga eh. Ang pinag-uusapan natin, facts. Kung meron kang opinion on certain things, may opinion ako, patas tayo, opinion yun eh. Pero kung facts yan, doon siya magkakaroon ng timbang. Second, yan na yan, that's it. No? And what are we saying? Tapos na yan eh. Hindi natin ituloy. Diba? Ano pa? Marami pa yan. Masyado kang mag-advance mag-isip, o eto na naman tayo, ulit-ulit, etc. O nega ka naman lagi. Okay? Huwag ngayon. At ito, I don't care. No? Mali ka pa rin. Tama ako. Mas matimbang yung iniisip ko. And finally, ano ngayon? This is my space. Ito yung gusto kong sabihin. Ito gustong gawin, ba't ka apektado? As if whatever I say will not have any effect on society. What are we saying? No? Attitudes like this, behaviors like this, terminates connection, terminates participation. You will no longer decide to participate kasi meron nang nagsabi, ay, mali ka, tama ako. Magaling ka ba? Diba? Point in case, I don't know if you, during the divorce bill, di ba, ang dami-daming away. Hindi ko alam bakit nag-aaway, bakit hindi mag-usap. Di ba? At finally, umaabot yung kanilang usapan sa personalan. It becomes a personal attack. It doesn't become a discussion on logic or reason. Di ba? Okay. So these things hampers participation. These things are an indication that we have very low emotional intellect. Leading to what? Voice poverty. Wala kang boses o ayaw man na magsalita. Sino mga may voice poverty dito? Yung mga mahihirap na walang access, yung mga IPs, yung mga takot na lumabas, yung ayaw mabash. Diba? Mayroon silang opinion but they will no longer talk. And we also have listening deficiency. Ayaw na nating makinig. Diba? So where is communication there? Also, we have cancel culture. Okay lang sana if we're trying to call out people who are doing wrong. Tama naman yun eh, di ba? Politiko, LGU, o kung sino man, di ba? Pero if you reach the point na, ay, pwera ka na, hindi na kita friend, hindi na kita kasali, hindi na kita kakausapin, that's already blocking it. Nililimit mo lang yung iyong gustong kausapin. No? And it leads to that echo chamber tunnel vision. Echo chamber is when you have that space, diba? Meron tayong grupo, tayo nag-uusap, tayo, amen, oh, galing mo, magaling siya. Sila, hindi sila kasali. Tayo lang. Yung thoughts ninyo, nagba-bounce off lang, parang echo. So, ang alam nyo lang, ang totoo lang sa inyo, ang tama lang sa inyo, ay yung sinasabi ninyo. Yung sinasabi nila, walang kwenta yan. Kasi hindi sila kasama sa inyo. Diba? And that results to tunnel vision. Ang nakikita mo lang totoo, yung gusto mong makitang totoo. Okay? Which again, leads to hate speech. Now, while there is no concrete definition of hate speech pa rin, ang hate speech, according to UN, is that when you attack a person according to qualities na wala siyang magagawa. Kanyang paniniwalang religyoso, ang kanyang nationality, ang kanyang kulay, ang kanyang gender. No, when you start to attack people on their protective characteristic, that's hate speech. Okay? These are the problems. I'm raising this because these are the problems that you will encounter in your digital space. Diba? While we have, we are lucky to have very good influencers who give inspirational posts to millions of people, you have billions of people doing these things. And this is not, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin, sila yun, dito tayo. Hindi, isa lang yan eh. Okay? Klaro tayo dito. May question? O tulog na kayo? Ha? We're good? Okay. Ngayon, ito yung tanong ko sa inyong lahat. What is your digital space? What does it look like? Who will be there? How would you define a space to be sacred? Is it enough that you post Bible quotes? Is it enough that you have reflections? Is it enough that you stream masses? Is that your definition of a digital space? Okay. Now, this is what we're going to do. You have to help me here kasi medyo mahapdami tayo. There are 15 tables. Okay? I requested the help of the beautiful ladies of TV Maria, si Sharon, tsaka si Kat, at yung aking mga magigiting na kasama, Brother Flourish, Sean, at tsaka si Lord. Lalagyan ng number yung table nyo. Okay? Sige po. Lagyan na po natin ng number yung table. Pagkatapos, lalagyan kayo ngayon ng question. Now, you will discuss as a group, listen po, you will discuss as a group the answer to that question. Only one person will write. Mayroon na po silang paper. Meron na. Doon sa paper na yon, isusulat ninyo yung mga insights ng grupo. Okay. Because we will be practicing voice equality, lahat sana mag-participate, lahat mag-contribute. That's the whole concept. Hey, makinig po. After 8 minutes, iikot kayo. Ha? Lilipat kayo ng table. Hindi kayo pwedeng lumipat sa same number ng table. So kung kayo ay number 1, lilipat kayo sa 2, 3, 4, or 5. Hindi nyo kailangan lumipat as a group. Magkalat kayo. Okay? We will do that until we run out of time or I run out of voice, whichever comes first. Okay? Ba? Malinaw? This is World Cafe. Okay? So the point is you keep on hopping to one table, share your thoughts, and all the thoughts will be written on one paper lang. Yung papel lang na sinulat. So pag upo nyo dyan, meron ng isang magvo-volunteer na magsulat. Okay po? Malinaw? May tanong? May tanong? Ay, wala tayong communication, hindi nyo ako sinasagot eh. Yes po. Hindi po. Iiwan nyo yung papel. Kasi dyan din susulatan ng susunod na grupo, susunod na uupo. Okay po? Malinaw? So again po, meron kayong paper at dun sa inyong table, merong number. Okay? So yung question sa paper nyo, sa table nyo, yun ang sasagutan nyo as a group. Isusulat nyo ngayon dun sa paper na binigay dyan. After the time, lilipat kayo, iiwan nyo yung paper doon, lipat kayo ng ibang table na not the same number. Okay? Tapos yung uupo dyan, doon pa rin siya susulat. Okay? And then we do that again. We're good? Ha? O sige, we'll give you 8 minutes starting now. Last 2 minutes, ha? 2 minutes. Last 1 minute, ha? Kayo po, time's up. Lipat na po. Iwan ng papel sa table. Lipat po ng table number. Make sure you go to a table that is different yung number. Iwan po yung paper. Iwan po yung paper. Iwan yung paper. Ibang table number po yung puntahan, ha? Hindi po. Kalat po kayo, kalat. Hindi nyo po kailangan isang grupo. Mix with other people as much as possible. Yes po. Any order. Doesn't matter po. A different table, different group. Doesn't need to be isang grupo po yung lumipat. Alright. Settle down po. Doon pa rin kayo susulat doon sa kanilang ginamit na papel. Same paper. Okay po. Settle down. Find the group. Find the table. Yes, Father. Iwan po yung in-answer nyo. Yung pong paper, iwan nyo po doon. Naiwan po doon? Apa. Iiwan po yung papel. Sige po, upo na po kayo sa ibang table number. Ibang table number. Ibang table number po. Huwag po masyadong malaki yung grupo kasi hindi makakapag-usap. Okay, I'm starting the time. Another 8 minutes. Settle down na po, settle down. Okay, answer din po yung question ng table in the same paper. Same paper. Sa same paper po sasagot.
Hindi po nila na ano. Sabi ko, dapat tingnan ninyo yung sagot mo muna. Tapos kung convince ba kayo, magdi-discuss kayo dyan.
Wala kang kasama. Yung iba po, pwede po dito sa, anong table to? Table 4 dito. Table 4 dito po. Kaya nga. Hindi po kailangan isang grupo ang lipat, ha? Yun si po, table 4 po. Try to mix ha, wag one group ang lipat.
Usap-usap sila. Ilang ikot yan?
Answer from the heart, ha? Huwag niyo itanong kay ChatGPT. Huwag niyo rin basahin yung note, yung manual. Answer from the heart. 2 minutes. Last 1 minute. Lipat po tayo ulit. Another table please. Iwan po yung papel. Iwan po yung papel, lipat po ng ibang table. Hindi po kailangan magkakasama ha. Maghiwa-hiwalay po tayo. Maghiwa-hiwalay po paglipat. Maghiwa-hiwalay po, wag po pare-pareho yung kasama. Sige po, lipat na po. Maghiwa-hiwalay po tayo. Iwan po yung paper. Same paper pa rin po susulatan. Maghiwa-hiwalay po yung may mga tables po na wala pa pong kasama. Please show your kindness and join other groups. Balik na po tayo sa original table natin. Ah. Sige po, balik na po tayo sa original table. Okay na po. Settle down. Settle down, please. Masaya kayo. Okay na? Sige po. Hello? Ay, andiyan pa. Okay. Sige, pagtapos na po yung meeting, pwede na tayong simula ulit. Okay. Question, sino po ang hindi nakipaghiwalay sa kasamahan? Yung all throughout the tables, you had the same group. Ha? Bakit? Bakit yung ginawa yan? Ha? Sabi ni Sharon, bakit hindi kayo naghiwa-hiwalay?
Sabi ni Miss Sharon.
Ay, nako Sharon. Okay. Nagkamali lang, nagkamali. Meron ba sa inyong hindi naghiwalay all throughout? Ha? Hello? Wala na. Hello? Meron bang grupo na hindi naghiwalay all throughout? Bakit? Kayo, sister? Why did you do that? Why?
Attachment issues po kami.
You know, that is the start of being echo chamber group. Diba? Sinong naririnig nyo? You transfer from one question to another. You are the same group. So what happens? It's the same mind. It's the same thought. You don't give a chance to listen to other people with different opinions, sana. So please don't do that.
But at the end, we also mix with other groups. No, it's really true. At the end, because it seems that we did not really get very well the instruction.
But the whole point of the exercise, nahihilo kayo. Okay, the whole point of the exercise, people, teka, tumatawag sa akin. Naniningil ng utang. Okay. The whole point of the exercise is for us to understand that we cannot just listen to the people with same minds. The whole point is to have that space where every voice matters, where everyone can speak freely and everyone can listen. Otherwise, tayo-tayo lang yan. Yan ang sinasabi, we are just preaching to the choir. At ang dami ng kasama natin na nasa palabas na, nakalabas na, ayaw nang bumalik. Kailangan nating matutong makipag-usap sa mga tao na hindi natin kaisip. Tama ba yun? Kaisip. Kapareho ng isip. Okay. What is digital space? May meeting doon. Wala na? Okay na po. What is a digital space? A digital space, if you were expecting a workshop on how you can be the actor in your platform, if you were expecting a workshop where you just convert that space into a pulpit or a stage or your show, it's not. A digital space is a space where you welcome every voice, where you are willing to listen to every voice, and you will understand that people differ, but you are still the same. A digital space is a space where people can participate. A digital space is that democratic space where we work together so that we can create change. Hindi lang po, hindi ko sinasabing hindi importante ang dasal, pero ang dasal kailangan tumawid. At hindi siya makakatuwid kung ang kausap natin tayo-tayo lang palagi. So sana, pag pinagnilay-nilayan nyo, ano ang ibig sabihin ng digital space in your work, in your ministry, it should be a space where we welcome everybody and we are willing to go beyond our comfort zones. Ngayon, sino ba ito? Carissa, bibigyan ko sila ng assignment kasi isang oras lang yung time. Lahat ng number 1, number 2, number 3, mag-usap kayo, 6 na table or 5 table. Combine your answers and come up with one statement. Diba? Number 1, meron kayong question. You have 5 or 6 tables. Talk together during the break. Combine your answers and have one statement referring to that question. Be sure that you integrate everybody else's opinion. Okay po? Tapos yun yung isulat nyo doon sa inyong notebook. Okay po? Are we good? Ayaw nyo na? Sorry kayo, 3 araw pa ako dito. Wala kayong choice. You have to love me whether you like it or not. Okay? So working break or working dinner or whatever you want to call it. Basta combine your answers, all the numbers, come up with a statement, write it down. And that will be your vision for a digital space. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much.